So I've officially left Austin. We'll go to Enchanted Rock and then cross a huge swath of Texas to try to get all the way up near Amarillo. I'm at Enchanted Rock, Texas. Actually beautiful. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. It's only like 80. And heading up the summit trail as we speak. It's pretty steep. It's a big dome. Coming up over the top. Here about an hour and a half west of Austin, Texas. It's pretty incredible. There's no shade up here though. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. I just bought these mics, and ideally, you can still hear me right now. It's so weird. I've always seen videos where people are like really far from their camera. God, it's so windy. Sorry if the wind's too bad. The plan, because these highs are getting up into the hundreds every day here in Texas right now. My plan for today is just to enjoy this morning and then drive up towards North Texas, cross a big chunk, 450 miles or so. This is such a cool place. I really like Enchanted Rock. I will gladly come back here next time I'm in the Austin area. Well, come on. Gotta bring you with me. I'm gonna go find some shade in these nice giant boulders. You know what I really like about this is that the trail is really only until you get above where there's vegetation. And from there, this whole dome, you can kind of just free roam. You can essentially find your own spot, even if there's multiple groups of people going up. A lot of people just go to the top and go back down. I kind of went to the edges and tried to find spots where I could be by myself. And man, that was worth it, for sure. Praise the Lord. Oh man, it is gonna be so hot in here.
Having a refrigerator when it's 100 degrees outside that has cold fruit cold drinks. Honestly, I just ate cold food. I ate a cold lunch. It's so nice. That is something that I didn't think I would appreciate as much as I am, but I am very much appreciating having cold things. So nice. Oh my God.
Hope you enjoyed this video showing you this beautiful park area here in the heart of Texas. I'm gonna go hike around a little bit more, and until next time, I'll see you later.